Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm doing great as well. Thank you so much for asking. So we are meeting again.
Yes, yes, you're right.
Yeah. So how is everything going on and like how was your day?
My day has been little hectic as
Okay.
I took, I think, five classes back to back.
So you had back-to-back sessions.
Not sessions, classes at school
Class.
premises. Yeah,
Oh,
so it was
okay.
really, occupying.
Hectic for you. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah, so tiring. So out of exertion, I felt like a little, you can say, tired, exhausted, but
Tired,
yeah,
yeah.
but all okay.
So
Thank
it
you for
happens
asking.
at it's okay. Back-to-back sessions are really hectic, really hectic. Like if you get breaks in between, that can be good, but when you're having back-to-back session, it can actually get very hectic.
Yeah, right, right. Okay.
Exactly, yeah.
You tell me, how's day going on, everything,
My
your
day
life is
was,
going on.
yeah, it is good. It's going good. Thank you so much. And talking about today also, like I had sessions, but compared to other days, today it was a little less. So yeah, not too hectic.
Okay, okay.
How is the weather there? Here it's very hot in Kolkata, it's very hot.
Today it's okay, okay, because 3, 4 days ago it was raining heavily, kind of cats and dogs. So now
Okay.
it's pleasant weather.
Pleasant weather. Okay. Where exactly are you from? You said?
Mathura,
Delhi.
Mathura.
Mathura. Yes. Yeah, you told me. Yeah. So, anyways, what plans for the weekend? Now that weekend is coming up, what plans for the weekend?
Nothing special, because a few days ago it was my daughter's birthday, so we celebrated, we
Wow.
went out, we dined out, and so many things we did and celebrated. So not for this Sunday, but let's see what happens. We never know. Sometimes
Uh,
all of us we
it's
just
sudden
make
plans.
plans.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it depends.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have two children, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So, anyways, tell me, what would you like to speak about today?
Um, Not really, I can say massive topic, but quite interesting, I would say.
Okay.
Nowadays, talking about not just girls, even boys also, they are not really interested to get married, right?
Okay, yeah,
Yeah, right.
definitely.
It's really prevalent nowadays. And the other thing is this, people really prefer to live a life with the nuclear family, not with
Hmm.
joint family. So,
Joint
because there
family.
are so many challenges as well, and they take it
Absolutely.
really, challenging. Nowadays, their mentality like this way. They think that it's a big deal to live
It's a
with
lot of
so many,
responsibilities,
yeah,
yeah.
so many people you're living with, and the challenges, and sometimes there is a conflict, so many things. So can we talk on this? Because it's quite interesting.
Absolutely. It is very interesting and it's actually very important, like, knowing perspective and opinions on particular topic, it is going to be very interesting, yeah.
So what do you think? What's your
So,
stance?
yeah, like if you ask me, like what do I prefer, nuclear family or joint family? I would say, both have, both will be good once, and other times you will also face a lot of challenges. Okay. Uh, I love joint families. Okay, but again, there are times when I think nuclear family is much more peaceful. Okay, because in joint family, it's noisy all the time, and
Hustle
there are a
bustle.
lot of there are a lot of people together, and also, it becomes very difficult taking financial decisions when you're staying in a joint family. Okay, you have to think about everybody, and like, I'm a person, I cannot just do things for me. Okay, I like doing things for everybody together. Okay, that's gonna be fun. So when it's joint family and when a lot of people are staying together, it becomes automatically, the spend or the expenses becomes more, right? But talking about nuclear family, it's quiet and at times it can be very boring because nowadays what happens? Everybody we are engaged with our mobile phones. So I am
Yeah,
sitting with
right.
my phone. The person next to me is also sitting with the phone.
Yeah, right.
Everybody is engaged. Okay, but in joint family, you at least have somebody free who you can talk to, right? So nuclear family is peaceful, but again boring at times. So, it's very difficult to select. But yeah, if you ask me, I prefer staying, in a nuclear family only. Yeah.
Yeah, right,
What
right.
about you?
Uh, I have been living with a joint family, but now I can say we are four because both of my in-laws, meaning my father-in-law and my mother-in-law, they departed. My mother-in-law departed
Okay.
4 years ago. And talking about my father-in-law, so it has been 1.5 years, and
Okay.
we are four now. So, but I would not say now I feel really, kind of liberty and all. From the day one when I came here, like in Mathura, in my like, with my family, in my in-laws' house. So it comes up with, a responsibility when you are, living your life with a joint family. And I would not say with a joint family, I would say when a girl get married. So yes, there are so many responsibilities. It's not about only a nuclear family or a joint family. And we should not be, expecting uh, about that girl, newly married girl, that she behaves like a 40 plus lady. No,
Exactly, yeah.
we expect that she should be doing this thing. She
She
must be
should know
knowing this.
everything. Huh?
Yeah, she
Knows
must be
everything.
knowing so many things. Talking about making food items, talking about not taking rest, not taking rest. I'm talking about this mentality 20 years ago, 18 years ago, 15 years ago, I would say, but not now because not each and every girl. One
Is
second.
ready to do.
So, what I was saying that, it comes with the
Nowadays,
responsibility.
not everybody is
Ha,
ready to do
yeah,
it.
yeah, right, right. Because things have been changed, mentality totally changed. And talking about a girl's mentality and a boy's mentality as well. So there was a time we used to be really, I can say, talking about myself, to be very honest, I used to be really meek and submissive. I would not blame to anyone else's, but the thing is that became my second nature. Becoming this much suppressed always, never try to speak a single sentence with the confidence. I would not say in English. Normally, like the
You
way
were
we speak.
hesitant. You were
Yeah,
hesitant.
used to
Yeah.
be a such kind of personality, a kind of naive
Soft spoken
personality.
girl. Yeah.
Yeah, but totally naive, underconfident.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
if I tell you about nowadays, no, nobody, even boys also not really interested to get married. They want to first become, independent.
Successful, independent.
Yes, and the other thing, they want to make their career. Same thing goes with the girls as well. And yes, there is one cons I can say that is when once the girl she becomes something. Let's say now she's working and she's doing a great job, a very good amount of money, handsome money she's earning. So she's like becoming really arrogant. As I have become really independent, and I don't have to rely on anybody in the terms of money. So they have such kind of mentality, and they are not going to endure any kind of pain and any kind of misbehavior, anything. So this
The
is really
patience has
nowadays.
also come down. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Patience. There is no patience level. They are like always impatient, and such kind of mentality they have fostered. Why? Because things have been changed now, and day by day, girls they are evolving. They are becoming really, great in this. Whatever what they are wanting to do something. Let's say they want to make their career, so they are doing so. Okay, so at the end of the day, they are like, okay, now I have become such personality, so I don't want to bow down in front of anyone. I have to just make the decisions, and whatever I want, I can do. Like I'm not kind of pointing out the things, but yes, this kind of mentality they are like cultivating.
Cultivating in
Yeah, yeah,
themselves.
they are
Very
doing so
true.
because and
Ex-
nowadays they don't have such kind of perspective to live with a family, a joint family.
Exactly.
They want to have a family, but it should be a nuclear family, far far away from the in-laws parent.
Exactly. Very true.
Yeah.
Very true. And talking about you, if it was you choosing, marriage or not getting married, okay, what would you choose right now? Okay,
Now,
yeah,
hypothetically, yeah, I would love to go with the getting married. if I was a spinster. So
Okay,
yeah,
exactly.
definitely. Yeah.
And like, marriage, how is it? Like, I'm not married clearly. So how would you explain marriage? What is marriage and how is it?
See, initially, and it seems like it's a big responsibility, as I earlier mentioned, that it comes with a big responsibility. On the other hand, the people who are like in-laws, so they have expectations from the newly married girl. They're like,
Of
you should be doing this. You must know this, how to behave, and getting up early in the morning, like waking up early in the morning and performing everything, let's say taking a bath and doing the household chores, everything. So they have such kind of expectations. On the other hand, speak slow. Turn your volume down. Yeah, turn
uh,
your volume down. Speak slowly.
down
Speak
your
very
voice.
politely. There should be humility in your voice,
So
your
is it,
tone.
how is it? Is it easy to keep your patience in that situation? Because I have not, I am a very impatient person when it comes to my family. Okay. Like I get angry very quickly. So
This
how
is
did you manage yourself with your in-laws back then?
this is why I was saying na, that earlier I used to be a meek and submissive personality, but not now. Like I would not say that I have done a kind of rebellion thing.
Hmm.
No,
No,
the thing
no.
is just because of English language and the effort that I have put in so far, so that has got me this much confidence level, and I have built up that. But
Changed
talking
as a
about
person.
yeah, but talking about earlier, so it was quite difficult task. It was a kind of Herculean task for me, but just because of my second nature, it was totally meek and submissive, always suppressed. So I just became, and I
Exactly.
just molded myself in the same way, same situation. But I would
Accordingly.
not praise myself. But the thing is, it's really factual. Nowadays, like, don't take it to otherwise, but it
No,
happens,
no, no.
it happens once you are like talking about a girl, especially they when they become very independent, they are doing something professionally, they are doing, so they are like, I'm not going to tolerate this, I'm not going to yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
stand this because things are not going my way, and they have much expectations as well. It's not about only in-laws, even a girl also have kind of expectations
From the family,
from
of
the
course,
family,
yeah. Because,
from
yeah,
her
we are
husband.
moving to a new house, no? So we will have expectation.
Yeah, but that's nice. That's okay. You are going somewhere far away from your family, which you earlier used to live in, and now you are leaving that home, and then you are going to another place
Mm.
with a new family, new people. So it's okay to have such expectation, but do not, always try to, foster them. Like sometimes things are
Eh,
not going your way. The person, like your husband or your in-laws members, they are not behaving and your way, the way
Yeah,
you
the way
you
you
have been
want,
thinking,
yeah.
and the
Or
way
you're
you want.
expecting.
Yeah, say it is kind of other way
Exactly.
around. It
That's
could be
what
in
it
the
is.
form of in-laws expectation, it could be in the form of a girl's expectations, so it depends. But nowadays they are really I can say capable to think that okay, I am to live my life on my terms, and they
Exactly.
really
That's
prefer
what it is.
living a life with a
It is
nuclear
better
family.
also, some or the other way, as we have the freedom and as we are like, not dependent anymore, somehow we can speak. Before it was like, it was very, very difficult for the women out there to speak and, say what they want. But what is the harm? If anybody can say what you want, even the girls can, right?
Yeah, so I would not say that I'm like against to those girls. I would not say, but the thing is, I would not say just about girls. Even the in-laws' families as well do not, cultivate such kind of expectation from a girl or from a newly married girl that she has come, so she is going to take care of everything, and she is going to pull everything together, and then going to do all the work. Let's say, home chores, so many things. Do not foster such kind of expectations. And same thing I would
Exactly.
say to such girls, even they just don't want to get married. And boys also, they think like this way nowadays.
Similar
They are
thing,
like,
yeah.
we have to make our career, we have to become something. and we want to be focused whatever we are
So
doing.
it's like, we run away from the responsibilities. Like, we don't want to add on responsibilities in our life. That's what the young youths, they feel. Like it's that
Yeah.
way.
Right. So this is why I said that's, I think it has been 2 decades and the mentality totally has been changed.
Change,
The
yeah.
perspective of the people, and there was a time it was so many responsibilities, but nowadays, like since we are we are encompassed with the technology and everything. Let's say, I would not say about washing machine because it's a really normal thing, but talking about the machine which washes the utensils, vessels. I
Hmm.
don't know the particular name of that. So, washing the utensils, there's a one machine. What we say
Yes,
that
yes, the
I don't know.
dishwasher, the dishwasher,
Dishwasher,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
The
So
dishwasher.
they just don't want to do because yes, we can hire a maid, but what about those
Maid,
days
yeah.
when they are not coming for 2 days and for 4 days? So that time it is you have to do that work. I'm talking about a girl, a newly girl, and the rest of the female family members. So they can, if
Members,
they
yeah.
can, they try to do so. So they can do, meaning doing the work, doing the home chores together, not just imposing the things on only one particular person with your newly married girl.
And
So this should not
yes.
be happening. Yeah, and
Actually, yeah. Yeah, tell
and
me, tell me.
yeah, nowadays we have the freedom to speak, and
Speak, yeah.
we really leverage
We
that.
had that before also, but somehow, the women did not want to, okay, and they were kind of suppressed.
Yeah,
They had that
right.
suppressive nature. Yeah, till
But
date also you tell your grandmother, or somebody, from the old generation, they'll be like, how can you do this? Or how can you say this? This is not good, this is not allowed, or you shouldn't do this. But I don't think so it's correct. Equality somehow means like, having equal rights. If a boy can also speak, so can you.
yeah,
So
right.
previously, the generation, it's like, some or the other way, women only, were the enemies of, themselves.
Yeah, right.
Okay,
True,
exactly. That's
true,
what it
true,
is.
true.
Exactly.
That we cannot deny. And yes, as earlier I said, that we have a voice of freedom and we can just voice out our opinion. But the thing is, sometimes we need to be really polite. We cannot always just burst out and venting out our anger or our frustration. So that's not really right way to behave. I'm not talking about only girls, even the boys as well. Anyone, it could be any individual. But the thing is, that will get you entangled in that
Actually, yeah.
situation. So try to tackle with the smartness and with emotions. Emotion meaning the humility, the politeness. This should be,
Yeah. But now,
this
how
should
do
be.
you feel? Do you feel
Mm,
like, you're free, and do you feel like, you're getting a kind of freedom now?
yes, yes.
Like after so many years?
Yeah, because I have changed my mindset. I would not say here about English, and it has been I think 4 5 years, 5 years I think around that I have changed my mindset because of some satsang which I used to listen. It's a kind of motivational thoughts,
Motivation.
everything. Yeah,
Hmm.
preaches. Yeah. So this I earlier used to listen. That really changed my mindset and my
Good,
thoughts and
good,
my
yeah,
way of thinking.
exactly.
Yeah. So I
It was
now,
good for a change, it was a better change.
yeah, so now I really don't really get, influenced and swayed by the things which are not in my favor and the people's behavior. So I would not say that now I'm free. There is like no anyone, elder in my house and
Exactly,
who
yeah.
is like taunting and,
Telling
what
you
can,
what to do, what
yeah, yeah,
not to, or something.
dictating me that this
Dictating,
you have to
exactly.
do. So this is
Huh.
why I feel so. I think so. No, this is not
Relax.
correct.
It's a relaxation also.
Yes,
Huh.
the very day when I started listening the preaches and the satsang, I can say it has been I think more than 4 years. I think 5 years I would say. So that
Hmm.
totally changed my mindset. Things are not going my way.
Exactly.
People are not behaving in my way. I don't really get affected by
Yeah, and
them.
we can't expect that also, but at least we can set our own boundaries. That's what
Yeah,
it
right.
is.
That's right. But again, we we somewhere I think slipped away from that particular topic that we started a nuclear
Yeah,
family and
but it was good. But it was good. The conversation was actually good and
yeah,
candid. I
yeah,
had great fun, to be
yeah.
honest.
I also. I also.
Yeah.
So one is nuclear family and one is joint family. So again, I would say in living in joint family, sometimes it's really challenging. Why? Because there are so many people, family members, right? So sometimes there is a chaos in the form of you can say doing the home chores, right? And sometimes financially it could be a form of any setbacks, right? And the other thing is that is good point, that is I would say the pros, the benefit, that taking care of the child. So that becomes really easy for a lady, for a girl, if she want to just take care and bring her child, raise her child up. So that's really easy. It's a kind of easiness to live with such joint family. But talking about nuclear family, so yes, that's a questioning point, because sometimes it happens like gents, meaning the husband and the wife, both of are working, and they are like who will take care of our child, so many things. And yes, there is a kind of isolation. Why? Because there are only three or four members in a nuclear family, so they are not really candid, not really mingled with so many things. There are lacking of the emotions, and if they are doing something wrong in anything, in any way, so there is no elderly people who can make them understand, and give them some instruction to do the things in a right way. So many things. So each and everything has their pros and cons that we cannot decline.
Actually, yeah, very true, very true. So right now you are staying in a nuclear family. How does that make you feel?
The same way, like you can say, this time, like I'm not like somebody is dictating me, because whatever I am to do, that I am to do anyhow. Now I'm working, so I have to take care of a lot of things at once. And sometimes I feel like that if my I wish that my mother-in-law were here with me, so things would be, much easy for me, because now I'm going to the school and doing work, everything, and managing everything. So there is no elderly person at my home. Like we are four here, my husband,
Exactly.
both of my kids, and I. So yeah, sometimes it feels like I miss her so many times. And
Of
when it
course.
comes to do the work, and I just recall her talks, everything she used to speak this way, that way. Sometimes she used to become really angry. At the same time, she would just persuade me, what is happening, why are you doing this, okay, chill, smile, this way. There's so many
Exactly.
things. Yeah.
Absolutely. It's like when somebody is not there with us anymore, that time, these memories we recall all the more. And we
Yeah,
cherish those memories.
right, right. That
Ex-
that that I totally can agree and relate with this.
Exactly. That's what it is. It was a great session. I really had a great conversation. It was very candid,
Same
very,
here.
yeah.
Same here. Okay.
I hope, every audience, like the audience can actually have a great fun watching this.
Yeah, think so. Hope so. I
Exactly.
really, really, really enjoyed with you, and we had a great session, and the talks we had. It was really amazing. Thank you.
I'm really looking forward to meet you again. Have another
Yeah,
great session. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Of
Take
course.
care.
Yeah,
Yeah, take care. Have a great weekend ahead.
yeah. Thank you so much, and take care. Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye. Yeah,
Bye bye.
yeah.
Yeah.